So what we've got here is the cross member for the transmission mount in our 01E car. Basically, this is underneath the car. Your exhausts go through here, and this part of the mount is attached to the transmission with 3 bolts right here. I've already gone ahead and taken those apart, but I wanted to show you guys the whole setup. And basically, once you take that, once you take this cross member off from the bottom, you've got these 2 bolts here. So you undo these 2 nuts just like this underneath the car, and then you can take your transmission cross member out. Now obviously, if you're doing this in the car, your transmission is going to have to be supported by something else while you take that out. But in my case, everything's out of the car, so it's easy. But you can see why I've got this out here is because this mount has cracked right across the middle part here. So it's snapped in 2, so obviously we have to replace that. And got a new part here. Now this part I got, it was pretty affordable, and it's just the mount. So what we're gonna have to do is take this bolt out of the middle of the mount here and just swap this piece over. So it should be pretty easy to do, but you know, like anything that's this old, it's pretty corroded, so we might have to put a little bit of elbow grease into it, but it should be easy enough to do. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to throw this in the vise and pinch it on either side of this metal plate, and then I'm going to throw my T45 on the bottom of this just to hold that bolt and get an impact on the top here, and hopefully that just spins out real nice. And there we go. Check this out. This thing does not want to give up. So at this point, I think what I'm going to have to do is cut the bolt in a couple of spots. This sleeve I can destroy, but I need to save this little cup that's on the top, and I need to save this little piece of mount at the bottom here to reuse on my new mount. So yeah, I'm going to have to hit this thing with a saw and then wreck a few things and hopefully get all my parts out that I need. So what I did here was cut that bolt. I wouldn't have had to cut the nut off, except that when I was trying to pound that, drive that bolt through, I kind of messed up the tip of the bolt and couldn't get the nut back off easily. So I just cut that so that I could get my little aluminum cup out of there. And then I've got my other piece here, and hopefully what's left of that bolt I can just drive out without too much drama. So after cutting as much of that bolt off as I could, I was able to finally drive that bolt down through the through that piece of the mount there and take what was left of that little collar off. So I'll have to get another bolt to hold everything together, but basically I've got my mount with my little locking tab on the bottom. I've got this little spacer that's gonna sit on the top just like that, and then my bracket, and there's a little locating pin right here, a locating pin on that bracket, so those two are going to go together with the bolt holding everything together in one piece. I'll bolt that to the transmission, bolt that to the cross member, and we'll be good to go.